if I remain in power or out of power, because my real power comes from my community, and my community, if my community is not happy, there is no use of having an MP or few ministers. Politicians fight for next election. Leaders fight for next generation. So please understand, my indigenous people come first, then any political party. Today, we have become weak. The lady here sang about how Manipur resisted the British rule. Where is that Manipur gone? You could resist the mighty British Empire today. The same people, your ancestors, not the Maharaja, the common people of Manipur defended the soil of Manipur, and the British never had it easy. Your ancestors who were less educated, who had less resources, less money, they fought the mighty British. And today, the children, you all cannot stand up for your next generation. How can a community which has survived for thousands of years suddenly be on the verge of extinction? Because again, you were united, today you're divided. It's not very difficult to unite. Do your best from your heart. Don't fear. God will eventually, I believe in God. Somebody may call it Jesus, somebody may call it Ram, somebody may call it Buddha, somebody may call it Allah. I believe in God. If we have to achieve something, then simply protesting will not happen. Manipur, Tripura are ancient kingdoms. Like Kashmir, we were independent kingdoms. We merged in India in 1949, not in 1947. The Federation of Khasi Jaintia states is even around the same time. But what have we learned about Northeast? Our school books teach us about Cherrapunji as the wettest place, one-horned rhinoceros. Nobody teaches about Veer Tikendrajit. Nobody teaches us about the Battle of Sarai Ghat. Nobody teaches us about Rani Gaidalu. Nobody teaches us about the Maharajas of Tripura. Today we are dictated in our education books, we are dictated by what others want us to learn. How do you kill your next generation when you don't give them information about your own identity? So we have so many politicians. We have so many politicians, including me myself. What is my achievement? Winning an election? You know, I met a lot of people in Tripura. There are a lot of Manipuri people in Tripura. Vishnupriyas, Pagans, Maitais. They came and met me and they said, Maharaja, do something, kuch karo. So I told them, I love you, my people from Manipur, I love you. But the problem is, you don't love yourself. First, learn to love yourself. Learn to look towards somebody next to your right or your left. Ek baar dekho, just see who's next to your left and right. They're you, they're your own people. But because you have not been able to love yourself, you have been ruled by other powers. The day you can learn to love and appreciate yourself without judging each other, you will reclaim your glory. And the day you reclaim your glory, you will inspire people in Tripura, in Mizoram, in Assam. Because we look up to you. You have a history, you have a kingdom, you have a heritage. It's just that you all are divided. So on this World Indigenous Day, I thank everyone for having invited me. I'm sorry if I spoke more than I was supposed to speak. I don't have anything written down. But I just want to tell you something. Mr. Megan is here as well. All other people are there. Anup Chetiya ji is there. No matter what, no matter who calls me up, I will always support you all. And I will always support you all. And the day I stop supporting you, I would have felt that I've stopped supporting my people.